Welcome to claude-code News. Today's release is a focused hotfix. Version 2.1.96 ships one critical fix that restores AWS Bedrock access for users who were suddenly locked out after upgrading to 2.1.94. If you're using claude-code with AWS Bedrock and you upgraded to version 2.1.94, you may have run into a nasty surprise. Every request was failing with a 403 error saying, "Authorization header is missing." This wasn't a permissions problem on your end. It was a regression introduced in 2.194 itself. The two affected setups were anyone using the AWS bearer token Bedrock environment variable or the claude-code skip Bedrock Auth flag. Both of these are common in enterprise and CI environments where you manage your own AWS authentication outside of the default credential chain. Version 2.1.96 patches this regression and restores normal authenticated access. If you were stuck on 2.1.93 or earlier as a workaround, you can now safely upgrade. To illustrate exactly what changed, before this fix, running claude-code against Bedrock with bearer token Auth would immediately return a 403. After applying version 2.1.96, the same command authenticates and runs successfully. No config changes needed on your part. Just update and you're back in business. That's everything in version 2.1.96, a small but important patch for anyone running claude-code through AWS Bedrock. Update now with npm update GA Anthropic AI claude-code and you're good to go. If this helped, hit subscribe to stay up to date on every claude-code release. See you next time.